Hi, it's Rich from Hannells. We're here today to look at this lovely 3-bed semi-detached property on Valley Road in Chaddesden. Let's go and have a look inside. So here we are. We've got a lounge, kitchen diner, a really spacious conservatory. Upstairs we have 3 bedrooms and a family bathroom. Let's start in the lounge. So just make yourself comfortable. In the front of the property there is a lovely bay window, and to the left hand side a period fireplace. So let's go through to the spacious refitted dining kitchen. Just look at this lovely feature fireplace with the bricks around, working log fire and refitted kitchen. So finally, we're in this really spacious conservatory where they have their dining table, which I'm sure you could sit and have your evening meal looking out over to the lovely patio. So that's downstairs done. Let's go and take a look upstairs. So now we're upstairs where we have 3 lovely bedrooms and a family bathroom. There is a part-boarded loft for extra space. Oh, before we go outside, I just want to point out all the doors are the original doors all the way through the house. Let's go and have a look outside. Right, leading off the kitchen, we're into the garage with the electric doors. You could get a sizable car in here, and there's a utility area at the back. Right, let's go and have a look in the garden. So as you can see, this is a low maintenance rear garden with a shed at the bottom, very handy for any storage. So that was Valley Road in Chaddesden, a lovely 3-bedroom semi-detached property. If you do want to view it, please give the office a ring on 01332 281 400. See you on the next one.